how do we really start off in this journey of creating wealth through dairy and beef farming? From where we sit, we honestly believe that you cannot do profitable dairy farming, that there is no profitable dairy or beef farming without proper calf management. The foundation of a dairy cow or the foundation of a beef cow is in how the farmer will be deliberate about managing the calf. There is no profitable dairy or beef farming without proper calf management. The foundation of a dairy cow or the foundation of a beef cow is vested in how first we select the genetics, and then two, how we optimize the genetics that we have selected, so that out of that we can be able to create a dairy or a beef cow that will deliver according to the intended purpose. Because the only reason why we bring them home is because we are getting into dairy farming to create wealth. We are getting into beef farming to create wealth. Yet if we don't manage the entire process of creating wealth through these animals, we will only be disillusioned. No one attains the genetics potential of a dairy calf or a dairy cow or beef calf without matching genetics with proper calf management. Traditionally, when a farmer gets a calf delivered on their farm, they concentrate on managing the dairy cow that they're milking. They forget that the future of their dairy farming or the future of their beef farming is actually vested in the genetics that have just been delivered on their farm. It is very important that we pay attention to how to make sure that the calf that is born on our farm delivers according to the promise that we were given through the genetics that we sourced. This is the reason many farmers use artificial insemination on their cows, but fail to realize half of the potentials promised in the genetics they select. The difference between the selected genetics and the results that will be realized is how calf management was handled. They select genetics that can give them a peak of over 50 liters per day, but struggle to achieve one of 25 liters on their best milking day.